Hello everyone. Today we will be demonstrating the step-by-step process of submitting an online building application for a residential ADU within the city of Fresno. To begin this process, you will have to log on to your online Citizen Access Portal account. If you do not have an account, please refer to our YouTube video number 101, How to Register for a City of Fresno Online ACA account. Let's begin with our demonstration. The link to the Citizen Access Portal is lmsaca.fresno.gov/citizenaccess, as shown here. Your screen should look like this. This is the City of Fresno Citizen Access page. On the right, you will see the light blue login box. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the I've forgotten my password link below the login box and follow the instructions. Type in your username or email. Type in your password and click on Login. You are now at the home page. At the top, you will see different tabs for the services offered in each division. The ADU application we will be covering today can be found under the Building tab. Click on Create Application. Please review and accept the terms of the general disclaimer and check the box. Click on Continue Application. Your screen should look like this. Please note the red text at the top of the page. ADUs will be filed as residential applications. Select Residential and click on Continue Application. Please note, if you have to step away from your application submittal for any reason, you can click on the orange tab that is located on the lower right-hand corner to save and resume later. This will let you save what you have entered and come back at a later time when it is more convenient. Let's continue. Step 1. Location and people. Contact information. Under Applicant, click on Select from Account if you are the applicant. This will select from your Citizen Access account and auto-populate your information. Otherwise, please select Add New and complete any required fields which were not automatically populated. This requirement is important for any future actions on this submittal, such as backchecks, resubmittals, addendums, and even receiving notifications or corrections. The Contact Lists section is not required at this time. You may add additional contacts to the record at this step, or they may apply for a contact amendment after the application has been submitted. Click on Continue Application. Under Address, type in only the street number and street name. Click on Search. The address is required to be a City of Fresno address. The Citizen Access Portal will automatically input the parcel number and owner information as reported from county records. Input the owner email address. This section will likely not automatically populate. Click on Continue Application. Step 2. Permit Information. General Info. Please note, anything with an asterisk in front indicates a required field. Under Project Description, type in the application name. For example, Single Family ADU or Accessory Dwelling Unit. In the Detailed Description area, type in the scope of the project with more detail. Under Permit Info, General Information, select the application type. Here, you will select the application type of your project. The selections are as follows: Addition, Alteration, Damage Repair, Miscellaneous, and New. For this example, we will be selecting New for a new ground-up ADU. Please see the California Energy Commission examples of what would be considered new construction or addition ADU. An addition ADU would be a new ADU sharing a common wall with the existing home, converting an existing attached unconditioned garage to an ADU, converting an existing detached unconditioned structure to an ADU, or building an ADU on top of a detached garage. New construction is an ADU built new, detached from the existing home or attached to the home by a breezeway or covered walkway. For the mobile home option, select No. This option is only for mobile home parks, and if Yes is selected, it will prompt you to start over and submit a mobile home application. Next, select Yes under Accessory Dwelling Unit. Now select whether this is an ADU standard plan template or a custom ADU plan. Your options will branch off at this point. If Yes, you will be prompted to enter the record number related to the standard plan you intend to use. If you'd like more information about our pre-approved ADU standard plan template plans, please see our website at fresno.gov/darm/ADU-program. Please note, inputting an incorrect ADU standard plan template number will give you an error. The correct template number must be input to continue the application for an ADU standard plan template. If no, you will be prompted to complete some general information regarding the project as follows. For the applicant job value field, type in the overall cost or valuation of your project. Type in the overall number of buildings that are included in the scope of work for this project. For housing units, select 1. An ADU application will only include one housing unit in the scope of work. For the construction type, select what best fits for your project. For the occupancy classification, if you are reaching this step in an ADU application, then select ADU. Select the structure type. The structure type for a new or addition ADU will be single family. Type in the square footage included in the scope of work for the following: garage, porch or patio, living space, and addition. The total square footage field will populate based on the sum of the previous fields. These fields can be input as 0 if they do not apply. Input the following specifications: number of stories, bedrooms, bathrooms, and kitchens. If fire sprinklers are included in the project, then you will be prompted to provide the sprinkler type. Is this related to a damage report or code enforcement case? If yes, you will be prompted to provide the relevant record number. For the landscape and irrigation, MWILO, or Model Water Efficient Landscape Ordinance, select Yes or No. Does your scope of work include any landscape work? If yes, enter the square footage of landscape proposed. Is this an affordable housing project? In the vast majority of cases, you will select No. Click on Continue Application. Step 2 continued. Permit information. Licensed professional. In this section, you will have the opportunity to add the licensed professional associated with the job if applicable. If using a contractor, entering the license type and state license number will autofill the remaining information with what is currently on file with the California State License Board, including their license status. If one has not been selected or the project is owner-builder, then click on Continue Application. Step 2 continued. Permit information. Attachments. In this step, you will start to upload your drawing attachments and required documents for your project. Note the specific requirements for the attachments. There is a maximum size of 200 megabytes allowed, and please note the list of document types which are not allowed to be uploaded. Click on Add. Under File Upload, click Add Again. Look for the location or file names for your attachments. Add and upload all the files that are part of your submittal, which can include construction plans, structural engineering, roof trusses, and Title 24. For detailed information on required documents for submittal, please go to the link shown here. Click on Continue once you have uploaded all your documents and attachments. Select the type for each attachment uploaded. For example, plans, photos, document, etc. Under Description, type in a brief description of the attachment for each attachment. For example, construction plans, structural calculations, energy documents, soils reports, or affidavit. Click on Save. Click on Continue Application. Step 3. Review. In this step, you will review all of the information you have entered and will have the opportunity to edit that information. Please take the time to review every step of the information entered, and most importantly, that you have uploaded all of the required documents and attachments. Click on the box to agree to the certification of this application. Click on Continue Application. Step 3 continued. Receipt and record issuance. Congratulations! Your application has been successfully submitted and has been issued a record number for your reference. You will be receiving an email for any plan check fees due or if any additional information is required. This concludes our demonstration today. Thank you for following along with our tutorial. If you have any questions, please call the City of Fresno Building Division at 559-621-8003 or email us at darm.building@fresno.gov, shown here. If you've found this video informative, be sure to click on the subscribe button before you exit to keep up to date with future video releases.